Itong mga barangay officials na ito, they cannot question yung sinasabi ng shortness of term nila. Kasi sabi nga ng Korte Suprema, the fact that they filed the certificate of candidacy, they already stopped from claiming na sila ay affected. So I would subscribe also to your point na they are not the real party in interest. Hindi sila proper party to question yung aming petition. Kasi andyan naman na yung Senate, andyan na yung Congress, andyan ang Office of the President, andyan ang COMELEC. Sila ang dapat sumagot kasi sila ang mag-i-implement, sila ang gumawa ng mga batas. Itong mga barangay officials ito, naghihintay lang sila. They should just wait, At hindi yung parang ngayon pupunta sila sa Korte Suprema at sasabihin na affected kami, and that is the reason why we are filing our opposition to the petition of Atty. Macalintal. So if ever we would be asked by the Supreme Court of Omen on the petition of the Liga, that would be our position, that they are not the real party in interest, that they cannot be an intervenor, because they are stopped from questioning yung shortness of the term of office which they are claiming na they are only serving for only two years.